Dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Kitchen Cooking. We have uploaded so many recipes in our YouTube channel. Dear friends, you are agree that each and every video there is a photographer or choreography or script writer. Introducing my son, Mr. Somojit Das. He is not a Mr. He is just teenager studied in class 8. And during lockdown, we have planned to launch new YouTube channel, that is our Kitchen Cooking. Let's friends welcome my son, Mr. Somojit Das. Please come here.
I am Somojit Das. I study in class 8. I am 13 years old and this is my 30th birthday. I am Somojit Das. I study in class 8. Today is 13th June and it is my 13th birthday. Welcome to our YouTube channel Kitchen Cooking. Today we are making my birthday special chocolate and orange layer pancake. Today I will show you how to make birthday cake. It is a chocolate and orange layer cake. For making orange sponge cake, we are roasting turmeric powder for natural color in low flame for 1 minute. For making my birthday layer cake, we are using vanilla essence half teaspoon, 2 cups of refined flour, 4 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of curd, 1 cup of refined or rice oil, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, half tablespoon baking soda or cooking soda, 2 tablespoon baking powder, roasted turmeric powder half teaspoon salt, orange peel 10 grams. The apparatus which we are using are electric hand grinder, oval shaped deep bowl, small mixer grinder container, a big straining bowl followed by 2 other bowls. We are adding refined flour in our straining bowl, baking powder 2 tablespoon, half tablespoon baking soda, half teaspoon salt and we are going to strain this mixture very carefully. We have collected the mixture in separate bowl and now we are mixing it well. For making of powdered sugar, we are pouring 2 cups of sugar in small mixture grinder jar. And we are going to grind this sugar for next 3 minutes. Now our sugar powder is ready. In a big oval shaped bowl we have collected 4 eggs. Now we are adding 2 cups of powdered sugar in the bowl. And we will grind it with hand grinder till it becomes a perfect mixture. Small mixture grinder jar, I have added 1 cup of curd and finely chopped orange peel. After grinding 1 cup of curd and orange peel, I will strain it and keep it aside in a bowl.
After straining
After straining, I will keep it aside in a bowl. Now we are adding roasted turmeric powder, and then we are adding curd and orange peel mixture. Now we are adding 1 cup of refined oil. After 5 minutes of grinding, I am adding mixture of baking soda, baking powder and refined flour, 2 spoons, and grind it well. We will do the same for next 8 to 10 times and prepare the mixture for our cake. Now we are inserting air bubbles in our cake mix by this process. This process will make our cake fluffy. Now we are mixing vanilla essence in the mixture. Now we are adding 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder in the batter. Now we will mix it well. Adding 5 ml of vanilla essence in cake mix, and now I am again mixing 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for preparation of my birthday special layer cake, and mix it well with electric hand grinder. Have made chocolate cake mix and orange cake mix for my birthday special layer cake preparation. We are making layer cake. Each layer will be of 1 inch thick. So I am pouring ½ inch of chocolate cake mix in a microwave container, and we will microwave it for 1 minute. We will come back to you after 1 minute. Now our 1 inch thick chocolate layer is ready. Now we are pouring ½ inch thick orange layer. And we will microwave it for next 1 minute. After 1 minute, our orange layer is ready. And we will cool down the orange layer, and then we will do the same process again with chocolate layer and again with orange layer. We will continue this process next 4 times. and make our birthday special layer cake. We will make total 6 layer cake. 2 layers are already done and we will do another 4 layers. Likewise with the same process. For making of chocolate cake or chocolate sponge cake, take a microwave oven proof container, 2 A4 size paper and rub the paper with oil, which is refined oil, and place them inside the bowl. This procedure will prevent the cake from sticking to the bowl. Pour all the cake mix and cook in microwave for next 3 to 4 minutes in convection mode. Sorry, it will be microwave mode, not convection mode. In convection mode, it will need more time. After cooling the orange layer is completely ready. Now we will make another layer of chocolate and microwave for 1 minute in microwave mode. See the texture of the chocolate mix as well as the orange cake mix. After 1 minute of microwave and 1 minute of cool down, I am adding half inch thick layer of orange cake mix. This will prepare another layer of orange. Total we are going to make 6 layers in this cake. And now we will microwave for 1 minute as we are doing for the other layers. Now we are pouring 6th and the final layer of our chocolate and orange layer cake. And again we are going to microwave it at microwave mode for next 2 minutes. And our layer cake will be perfectly ready. Now we are oiling A4 size paper to prevent the cake from sticking. Now we will turn our layer cake and again microwave it for
3 minutes.
Again microwave it for next 3 minutes. So friends, subscribe our YouTube channel Kitchen Cooking, press the bell icon and don't forget to like, share and comment so that we can get motivation to do better in years to come and years to go. So dear friends, today is my birthday and I have made 3 cakes. This is the orange cake. This is the chocolate cake or chocolate sponge cake. And this is my birthday special layer cake. This is only for me and I am going to celebrate my birthday with myself. Let's taste.
How is it?
Very nice.
Thank you. You do very well. You have made all these 3 after all. So you become perfect chef. Is it
That's
true
it.
or false?
I cannot certify.
Yourself. You cannot certify yourself. Okay, I certify yourself. You that you are good cook. Happy birthday, my dear son. Stay blessed. Always feet well and feet healthy.